Hello everyone, I am Karuna Mishra. I have a teaching experience of more than 7 years. I have been training UPSC aspirants in Delhi. At Shubhra Ranjan IAS, I have been working with Shri Ram's IAS. I have worked with Shabir Sir's Educhemy. I have also worked with various edutech platforms. And in my 7 years, I have understood 2-3 things. One, in this examination, apart from being knowledgeable, academically very good, you have to be a person of perseverance. You have to be consistent, showing up every day, being very regular, and also enjoying the process. This is my personal funda in the class as well. You should know why you want to be into administrative services or police services or foreign services. It should not be that so and so was doing, so mujhe bhi karna hai. So it shouldn't be like that. So you should have your calling, you should be consistent about it, you should be cheerful while you're doing it, because learning is such a beautiful process. You get to know so many things, and when dealing with more than 10,000 students so far, what I have understood is the successful is the one who continues to put the effort till the last day. I'm the lead faculty for geography here. I've been teaching geography for nearly 8 years now, if in total. And what I understood about geography is one subject in which you have the end product first, and then you understand how it is formed. For example, you have not seen Himalayas forming. You just know that a mountain system is there. Now I have to make a sense that how Himalayas are different from, let us say, Rajmahal hills around your area. So in geography, the beautiful thing is the subject is around you. The subject is all over you. You are part of the subject, you're part of the soil, you're part of the wind, you're part of the air, you're part of the Panchatattva, and all of that together creates this beautiful subject. The worst thing you can do in your preparation is trying to mug up things. So when it comes to geography, I have a simple approach. Make it as simple as you can. Add mapping to it, because until and unless you don't know the mapping of the world, the mapping of the country, you will never be in a position to score well. Third, you have to correlate things with each other. For example, every physical process, every climatological process is interlinked. Nature has a beautiful circle of life. So once you integrate your basic academic knowledge with your observations around, and when you try to enjoy seeing things around you, for example, why the trees are so green where I'm living, while when I go to Kashmir they are of different colored leaves, what could be a reason behind it? Believe me, geography will be the easiest subject for you, and I will make sure that it is the most enjoyable subject for you in the classes. Alright, so when it comes to geography, this subject is known for 2-3 myths as well, apart from the fact that it is one of the major subjects for UPSC. One big myth is the students who have technical background or have science background will be doing good for the geography subject. Second is, until and unless you have a good rectification mind, history, geography will be tough for you. Third is, geography is only about maps and diagrams. Now what I do in the class, how I make this subject easy is, one, I have a funda called Saste diagram. Now what are Saste diagrams? Saste diagrams, or the doable diagrams, are those which can be replicated easy, which gives you a clear distinction of what is happening. We will be doing that in the class as well. For example, rather than making the entire map, how I make a certain part of it and then I highlight it. For example, I remember there was a student from Madhya Pradesh, and she was an engineering student, and she believed that since it is a humanities subject, maybe she might not be good in. And then there was another student who was doing CA as well, so she was from commerce background. Now both these students have their own prejudices, they might not be doing very well in geography. We brought both of them together during their mains preparation as well. And for example, if you're writing an answer on water, how about make a drop of water and then write the points around it. It will be visually good, and plus the points will be very, very clear. For the students who were from the non-science background, don't have a habit of making diagrams, and since she was from the commerce background, I said, how about you use the flow charts, use your own strength. Don't try to copy the strength of the others, make your own strength, create your own style, and this subject offers you so many avenues to do that. You can make diagrams, you can make flow charts, you can use infographics along with your basic academic knowledge. So there are at least 15 students which I can count, which have the ranks under top 10, which had genuine fear that they might not be good with the humanities subject or might not be good with the diagram, but have done so well in the paper. So when I got associated with Rice IAS, one beautiful thing that I got to know is which shall be very beneficial for the West Bengal students, that the examination pattern might change very soon, in which it shall be aligned with the UPSC pattern. I think for any job seeker, this is the best thing that the government can do. Reason being, you shall be preparing and pursuing both top level examination by not sweating twice. You will not have to put efforts again and again, since we people have been training the maximum number of students across the country which are gathered in one place. There is a reason Delhi is considered as a cradle for preparing the UPSC aspirants, because you are not just competing with the people of your city or of your state. Every serious aspirant from across the country, sometimes even outside the country, they come to Delhi to prepare, and your competition is actually with the country. Now, since we have been training students here which are from all the corners, we bring in our expertise to the state, and we shall train the students to not only be victorious in their state examination, but also do well in the most prestigious examination of the country. You have to understand, IAS hota hai, right? So in order to be there, you have to have the taste of what is the level of quality of education here in Delhi, what kind of competition to expect, and we are bringing our expertise to your state to help you with that. So you have to understand, when it comes to civil services, whether it is for the state services or the UPSC, you have to put in the effort on a regular basis. It is a test match. It is no one day. It is no T20 that one day examination MCQ mara ho gaya. So in this, you have to be more consistent. You need to have that analytical mind. You need to think and read between the lines. You have to understand, okay, if the Prime Minister of the country or the Chief Minister of my state is moving anywhere or going to meet people, what is the reason behind it, how it can impact the economy, etc. So we will take all of this in the class. We will help you think out of the box the way we do it here in Delhi, and this will not only help you in scoring much better than your peers in your state examination, will make you a worthy aspirant for the UPSC as well. So this is what is required of you, to think out of the box, to think beyond what is written in the words, to integrate your mind with what is going on around. Be present, keep your eyes and ears open, and most importantly, as I always say, enjoy this process.